Yeah, Pitigliano Farms, we mainly grow almonds, wine grapes, pistachios. We have some open fields for wheat, corn, alfalfa. We go from many realms of irrigation, from old technology flood irrigation to drip irrigation, micro sprinkler irrigation. We do no subsurface here. Pistachios are single line drip. 70% of our almonds are fan jets, and another 35% are double line drip in the almonds. Around year 2000, we did conversions on some orchards, and wine grapes were more like in 205. We did a conversion from flood to drip. And now all our new almond plantings, we will go straight with a some sort of irrigation system, either fan jet or double line drip.
Okay.
We of course monitor the yearly use that we have records in our office, and on a more of a monthly or weekly basis, we probably don't monitor how much water we're being applied. We do more of what the plant's needs are by soil, feel, and looking at the trees or canopies. Yes, I personally believe that I probably was not applying enough water early, especially in a dry year like this year. I probably wouldn't have applied as much water as I did early in the growing season, and I would have waited till later. And with the new technology, I'm probably applying it more as the plant needs it through the season, except for waiting for the summer months. For example, is in the March, April, May, there is a huge amount of water used to develop the nut and to fill the almond kernel itself, that I probably hurt my yields somewhat in not having that much water applied, especially in a dry year like it is this year. I think we are forward thinking on our irrigation, other than being reaction based, based on the real-time internet-based soil moisture probes. I'm able to look ahead a little bit more and plan for my water needs, other than being reaction of, ooh, the tree's hot, I need to irrigate. Well, that's going to reduce your yields if you see it that way. That way the tree is not happy at that point when it has wilt or you can see the stress of heat. So therefore we can prepare to see what is in the soil with the video, with the internet, and plan accordingly for weather or growth stage of the crop or harvest needs as needed. It's a time savings to be done right. It's a time savings because we have reduced the amount of time I personally have been out in the field digging an auger hole, checking soil moisture at 3 feet. It just takes time. Especially in a dry year like this year, I think the soil moisture probes, especially the real time, is when we do apply our water, is that we are not wasting water and not blowing it through the root zone. I think that is the biggest benefit of having the moisture probes, is that you don't over irrigate and blow that water through the roots, that we're just not utilizing the water, the precious water we do have. I mean, that is the number one benefit of the technology. Okay.
There you go. And we see the site, the soil moisture site here. Comes up, got the solar panel up on top, all the equipment, and you have your almonds on the tree. There's a bunch right there. This system currently, what is the flow rate of the emitters?
The emitters, I believe it's 8.5, or it's I think it's 8.5.
8.5 gallons per hour. See the emitter running down there?
Pounds.
Okay. And at 20 pounds pressure. Oops, sorry.
Correct.
And then what kind of a total flow rate do you expect from the pump right now on this block, or would you
This
want?
block is irrigating 55 acres. do the math. I believe I know we're at 1,150 gallons per minute
Okay.
onto this irrigation block.
Okay.